In this video, we're going to see a comparison between Google Fi versus Verizon versus T-Mobile versus Mint Mobile. Google Fi Wireless is a mobile virtual network operator service offered by Google. It runs on multiple networks, including T-Mobile and US Cellular, allowing for flexible and widespread coverage across the US. Google Fi uses a combination of networks to provide a strong coverage, particularly in urban and suburban areas. It automatically switches between networks to ensure the best signal. And it also connects to secure Wi-Fi hotspots to help save data. However, in rural areas, coverage can be less reliable compared to major carriers. It has a flexible plan of $20 a month, unlimited plan for $65 a month, and simply unlimited starting from $50 a month with a more affordable unlimited plan with fewer extras. Moving on to Verizon, it is industry-leading coverage across the UA or USA. Verizon Wireless is industry-leading coverage across the US, especially in rural and remote areas. Verizon is the go-to if you need reliable signal almost anywhere. It has unlimited plans, starts at $75 per month. It is best for coverage overall, reliable network speed, and many phone and plan options, but it is expensive compared to others, and limited international features without extra cost make it a downside. Now, for T-Mobile, it's an excellent coverage in cities and suburbs. T-Mobile has made huge improvements with 5G, leading in availability. Speed still lags behind the Verizon in remote or rural areas. It has Essential plan for $60 a month, Magenta for $70 a month with international perks and taxes included, and Magenta Max for $85 per month, which has premium 5G and no data caps. It is great with value and perks. It has fast and widespread 5G, and also it's a solid international feature included in around the US. And finally, Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, so coverage is good in urban and suburban areas, but less reliable in rural zones. No roaming agreements with other networks. It has a $15 per month for gigabytes plan, $20 per month for 15 gigabytes, and $30 a month for unlimited, so 35 gigabytes high speed, then slowed. It also has family plans. So, it is very affordable, no contracts, and it's a great value if you prepay for the year. But you must pay months in advance. It has limited international roaming support and data deprioritized during network congestion. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.